Let's quickly create this cool procedural shape using Simple Deform and Wireframe Modifiers. Add cylinder and change the vertices to 16 and scale the cylinder in Z-axis. Now add some loop cuts and delete the top and bottom faces. Now add the Simple Deform modifier by searching Simple Deform and use the stretch option instead of twist and change the axis from X to Z. Now add the Wireframe modifier and increase the thickness, and don't forget to check the boundary option. We will give some basic color and make more variations using same object but with different settings. First, let's duplicate the object and change the axis from Z to X in Simple Deform Modifier. And finally, make one more duplicate and change the stretch option to twist and axis to Z in Simple Deform Modifier. Now, if you have followed, you will have 3 cool Shape for You projects. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will meet in the next video.